Hey guys, welcome back. On the last episode, we found a truck cap and fixed it up to get ready for the truck camper build. Hope you enjoy this video and thanks for watching. Today is the day we're going to do the build. I ended up getting a little bit more wood. This was just scrap wood. My sister actually bought a table and these pieces of wood were inside the boxes. So they're just going to throw that stuff out. So I don't know, I'll see if I can use that. But no, let's get this started. 2x4 up over here, over the wheel well. This is going to be mirrored on that side. And then just deck boards going across. And then that'll be a solid base to put the plywood on top of. And then underneath, I plan to put 2 drawers. When I get those long drawers in here and the drawers get pulled out over the tailgate, it's going to have a lot of leverage, try to raise up the bed frame. And I think these are going to try to come up like this. I had some tie straps that I wasn't using. Now it's time to put the planks across. Each board 11 inches apart, so 11, new board here. I think this is pretty solid. Once I add the straps, it's going to be really solid. And the plywood, of course. I just took this end of the strap, looped it up down over the other side, and then hooked this hook back into here. Like, that's not moving up at all. I'm going to build a center support all the way down the center between the 2 drawers, and it's going to put a lot of support down the middle. All right, so here's my support piece through the center. Just a piece of plywood. I'm gonna put a screw in each board all the way along. All right, now I can put my plywood. I'm trying to fit it around the wheel well and see if I can get it at least close. I was thinking of putting the carpet on each piece and then putting them in, but I decided to just put everything in there, and then I'm just gonna get a big rug or a carpet and just lay it in there. I just gotta build the drawers and get the carpet on there, and I'll be pretty much done. I can sit up too, which is awesome. And that was one of the biggest things. And this is the lower end of the cap. It's a little bit higher down this end. Gotta mark those, cut them. All these little pieces that I was talking about earlier that I got for free from my sister, they're only like a 1/4 inch. They're really thin. I might as well just use this stuff up. I'm not going to use it any other way, so, and it's free. I don't think I'll be winning any awards for these drawers, but I think it's going to work. Alright guys, so we're on to day 2 of the build. Last night I went inside, had some dinner, and basically just crashed after that. All I did was put my tools away, and so we're going to continue the build today, and I think we can finish it. For some reason on this side the drawer's sticking. I tried switching the drawers, same thing's happening, so there's something on this side that's a little bit lower or less room, so I'm going to have to figure that out. I literally had to get vice grips on each side to pull that thing out. So it's sticking in there somewhere. I'm just going to have to make some cuts. I had to take the whole thing apart, shave some off of this, take a little bit more off the height, but now they're coming in and out nice and smooth. So now all I have left to do, put the faces on the drawers and put some carpet, cut the carpet I bought yesterday, cut that out and put it on top. Same idea with the back corners. I put 2 of these little posts or whatever you want to call them, just because I can't really screw into this plywood, it's too thin. So I'll put the face on and I'll screw it to these, and then I can screw it on the bottom. All right, let's call that good. I'm pretty happy with the way this looks, the way it turned out. 2 drawers. Catches a little bit on the tailgate liner, but it's not a big deal. I think that's pretty good. They're nice and long, so be able to store quite a bit of stuff in there. Before I'm done with these drawers, I'm not going to put handles or anything. I think I'm just going to take a hole saw and cut a little hole here, and then I can just put my fingers in there, use that as a basically a handle. Nice and simple. I'd say that bit's pretty much dull. Oh well. I would have liked to have a bigger hole saw, but that'll be fine. That's perfect. There she is. Drawers are done. I'll put dividers in there in the future. I don't really know exactly where I want them right now, so next we got to put the carpet in on top, and then we're pretty much done. I think it's turning out pretty good. So I got the carpet in. I might do some more trimming around the edges just to make it sit a little flatter, or maybe just leave it like that. My goal with this build was to keep it as cheap as possible. The cap I paid $300 for. I had to fix it up, so the materials to fix it up were probably around, I don't know, $30. That rug, I think I paid 20 bucks for. An 8x8 piece, and I cut it up. Altogether, that's $350 roughly. And I think I got myself a build that'll work really well for what I want to do. The only reason I could do it that cheap is because I spent quite a while looking for a nice cap that would fit on this truck that wasn't like $2,000, and it's hard to find a used one that's any good that'll actually fit. The wood, I had most of the wood, just scrap wood, so I didn't have to pay for any of that. So really the only thing I bought was a cap and that carpet and a bit of materials. I think it turned out pretty good. So guys, we're all done the build. It wasn't that difficult, just I had to mess around with the drawers a little bit to get them to fit, but yeah, it's starting to snow. If you guys are looking to build something, this is a pretty simple, straightforward way to do it. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting out and actually trying this thing, doing some fishing, some camping. I think it'll be, I think I'll end up using this a lot this summer. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.